If you still haven't heard about Nexchain and their massive pre-sale, then make sure you watch this entire video because this is seriously one of those rare chances you do not want to miss. Nexchain is building something huge right now, and this pre-sale is exploding with potential. This is one of the top crypto opportunities of the year, and the hype is only growing, guys. They're launching a cutting-edge Layer 1 blockchain that is about to change how Web3 works, bringing AI technology, quantum-proof security, and next-level tokenomics all into one powerful system. What makes this even crazier is that the pre-sale tokens are still available at just 0.025 with a guaranteed listing price of 30 cents already confirmed. That being said, guys, this is your early entry point into something big with real upside and real utility built in. Alright guys, what makes Nexchain actually stand out is how they built the entire thing around speed, reliability, and AI. They combined proof of stake with their own Nex AI and created a powerful hybrid consensus that keeps everything flexible and super efficient. This setup is what allows the chain to reach insane speeds up to 400,000 transactions per second while staying stable and secure. They've also integrated next generation smart contracts that support full interoperability so their system can connect easily with other major blockchains. On top of that, the fees are super low with just 0.001 per transaction, and the whole structure is built to be energy efficient and focused on long-term and sustainable growth. For investors, that means high speed, stability, cross-chain compatibility, and passive income potential. And for developers, they're offering a complete AI infrastructure including SDKs, APIs, and user-friendly tools for building and testing. They also provide customizable AI modules and full support for cross-chain integration with a scalable setup that is ready for future growth. On top of that, they've upgraded the smart contracts to version 2.0 so the system can handle much more complex tasks. And what makes this even better is that they're sharing 10% of all collected gas fees with their community every single day. All you need to do is hold your Nex tokens in a non-custodial wallet and you automatically get your share daily based on how much you hold. And since they're already rewarding holders daily through gas fees, it makes total sense that Nexchain also delivers real utility across multiple industries. Their Nex AI is not just powerful, it's flexible, and it's already showing how it can help in different sectors. In finance, the chain helps automate fraud detection, credit analysis, and algo trading, giving better speed and accuracy. In healthcare, their AI supports secure and private sharing of medical data while helping doctors make faster and more accurate diagnoses. For supply chains, they offer advanced analytics tools that speed up logistics and make everything more efficient. In IoT, they can manage and connect tons of smart devices at once with secure and fast data transfers running through their decentralized setup. For content monetization, they've made it possible to run AI content sales with full transparency and unbreakable security on every single transaction. But what makes this whole thing even crazier is that their decentralized AI services also allow people to train models and actually earn from them directly on-chain. Even in government use, they're creating tools like smart contracts for transparent e-voting and procurement systems, all powered by their own AI. And since their AI is already being used across so many real-world industries, the Nex token becomes even more important because it powers everything in the ecosystem. It's made for instant transactions with super low fees, and it also gives you access to staking where you can earn passive income while helping support the network. Next is also used for decentralized governance, so holders actually get a voice that counts in the decisions made on chain. It's also used to pay for AI services and model development, and it plays a big role in how income is distributed across the platform. As you can see, the tokenomics are fully balanced to support long-term growth and reward the community at the same time. Their tokenomics setup covers everything from development to stability to incentives and keeps the whole project moving forward. And because the token has such strong utility and balanced tokenomics behind it, the pre-sale becomes a massive opportunity to get in early while the price is still low. Right now, they're in stage 14 and the current price is 0.054, while the listing price is already set at 30 cents. rewards. That is giving an expected return of investment of 556%, and with over 2.8 million already raised, they're clearly gaining strong traction. They've also completed full KYC and passed both certic and solid proof audits, which adds serious trust to the whole thing. All you need to do is visit the official Nexchain website, connect your wallet, choose your payment currency, and complete the purchase. What's cool is that once the tokens are in your wallet, you can use them across everything Nexchain is building, from AI tools to daily rewards. And because the token price increases with each new pre-sale stage, the earlier you enter, the better your deal is going to be. The total target raises $50 million, and the listing is expected between Q4 of 2025 and Q1 of 2026. Since the listing is getting closer and the pre-sale is almost at full raise, this is the perfect time to actually look at their roadmap and see if they're really building something serious. And they are, guys. They actually are building something very serious. Nexchain already completed 2 full development phases, and they're now in the tested proof of concept implementation stage. Every part of their roadmap is clearly structured with detailed outcomes and timelines, so it's very easy to see how everything is being planned and tracked. The current stage, which is Q2, is focused on full infrastructure and system readiness for their Nexpolia launch. After that, in Q3, they're launching Nexpolia with a fully working system and full tooling ready for users. Then, in Q4, the team will focus on setting up the complete mainnet, making sure all technical systems are fully ready for the official Nexchain launch. And once we enter Q1 of 2026, Nexchain is launching their public beta to collect feedback from a close group of beta testers. They will use that feedback to polish the product, and during that same period, they plan to partner with top centralized exchanges to get Nexchain listed, and also work with major DeFi protocols to integrate them into the ecosystem. And this is exactly how you can tell when a project has real plans. The structure is clear, the progress is active, and every phase has a goal that leads into the next without anything left vague. When you look at how carefully they're following this roadmap, it becomes clear that this is still one of the earliest and most promising chances to get in on something massive. The pre-sale price is still incredibly low, and with the kind of return of investment they're expecting, the potential we have here is beyond huge. In a space full of random coins and hype without backing, this one actually shows signs of real progress and real long-term value. They're working with some of the biggest names in the space right now, and their community is growing fast across all social platforms. That is where most of the alpha drops first, so make sure you're following them literally everywhere, guys. Because if they keep going with the same pace and momentum, only the sky is the limit. It's the perfect time to grab your spot, secure a bag while the price is still low, and position yourself early before this whole thing goes fully live. That would be it for today's video. This is your favorite blockchain explorer signing off.